Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world, transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Bitrue to Bitmart in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and Bitmart. If not, sign up and verify them for security. Once you're logged into your Bitrue account, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. Click on Withdraw next to USDT to begin the transfer process. Now, you'll need to select the network for your withdrawal. USDT can be on networks like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. So choose the one that matches your Bitmart deposit option to avoid any issues or extra fees. For most users, TRC20 is fast and cheap, but confirm this in your Bitmart wallet first. Next, go to your Bitmart account and navigate to the Deposit section. Select USDT and copy the deposit address. Don't share this with anyone. Back in Bitrue, paste that address into the withdrawal field, enter the amount you want to transfer, remember to leave some for fees, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. After submitting, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it shows up in your Bitmart wallet, you're all set. A few quick tips. Always check for network compatibility to prevent lost funds, be aware of any transfer fees, and never transfer to the wrong address. Crypto moves are irreversible, so stay cautious. If you're new, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. Transferring USDT from Bitrue to Bitmart is that simple in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.